Hello to you, my gorgeous nail lovers. You are welcome back to Nail Vibes, the channel that gives you nothing but the very best in nails fashion. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending from where and when you are seeing this video. In case you are seeing this channel for the very first time or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe, and as you do that, do not forget to turn on your bell notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded in this channel, you will be the first to be notified. So my gorgeous ladies, watching this video which I have for you today, you will see that I have the best compilations of square acrylic nail art designs. These nails comes in different shapes and different colors. You will definitely love it all. So watch from beginning to end in order for you not to miss a single slide. You can even combine 2 or 3 slides on your nails. So watch and enjoy this video. And as you watch, kindly support my channel by hitting the like button, okay? Like this video and feel free to share it to your friends and your loved ones so that this video will get to a wider audience. Thank you guys so much. I also say a very big thank you to my returning viewers who are always watching and engaging in my videos. Trust me guys, your effort in this channel is never taken for granted. Thank you so much. So at the end of the video, you can go down to the comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my videos or my channel in general. Also, if this is not really what you want, you can go down into my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types, and you can also watch and make your choices from there. Thank you so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.